OnePlus 60 doesn't come with the support of horizon light or edge lightning. But in this video, I'll show you how to get edge lightning or horizon light on your OnePlus 60. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Basically, horizon light was designed for curved edges for OnePlus devices. First of all, huge thanks to the XDA developer who created a Magisk module which can enable horizon light on OnePlus 60. And this is specifically for OnePlus 60, not for OnePlus 6. And this also requires root access. So right now you can see I have my OnePlus 60 which is rooted with latest Magisk. If you guys are not aware about the root process, a video link will be given in the description below. And the principle of this module is quite simple. It replaces the stock UI APK of Oxygen OS with a modified one. And once your device is rooted, you need to download few files. So these are the two files which are required, and after that one more file which is required that you need to download from Magisk. So here we have two modules. One is for the dark theme and the second one is for the normal one. Right now I have flashed normal one. I'll also flash dark theme module. To flash this, you have to go inside your Magisk, tapping on these three lines, then tap on modules, and here you need to tap on add icon. Once you tap on add icon, go to file manager and then you need to select the file. So I've already flashed the normal one. Now we'll flash the second one which is for the dark theme. And this is only tested on Oxygen OS 10.3.5. So if you are installing this module, make sure you are running Oxygen OS 10.3.5. So the flashing process is simple. After going inside the Magisk, you just need to tap on the zip files which you have downloaded and placed it inside the internal storage. Once you tap, flashing process will take around 2 to 3 seconds. Once it's done, just tap on reboot. So after your device boots up, you just need to go inside the Magisk. Again tap on these three dots, go to modules, and here you should see the modules installed. After installing these modules, you can just give it a try by sending a message. If it doesn't work, you need to download this module which is Overlay Mount Fix. So to download this, tap on these three dots, go to downloads and search for Overlay Mount Fix. Once you search for Overlay Mount Fix, you'll see this file which is created by Jack, and version right now is 2.1. You just need to tap on download. It will automatically be installed. Once you are done with that, make sure you have enabled ambient display. Under that, new notification wake up. As per developer, the horizon light blinks 5 times, but I have personally tested, it only blinks 3 times. And the color of horizon light will automatically change based on the application color. So let me show you an example. I'll send a normal message on that device and you should see the horizon light. And here you can see, which blinks only 3 times. And the color of the horizon light was whitish. If you receive any message on WhatsApp, the color should be green. So let's take a look at that also. And here we go. You can see the green color for WhatsApp application. So guys, this way you can get horizon light or edge lightning on your OnePlus 60. And once again, huge thanks to XDA developer for this awesome port. All the download links are given in the description below. You can download the files from there. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.